I'm Elias.
I'm Isaiah.
I'm E.
I'm I.
I'm E.
I'm I.
Oreo.
We like to cook. The essentials you will need for this recipe are Oreos, milk, a Ziploc bag, and something to crush the Oreos. During this recipe, we suggest listening to The White Stuff by Weird Al. We will be using around 14 Oreos for this recipe.
And now we're going to twist our Oreo and use a knife to scrape the white stuff off of our Oreo. Isaiah, you put the Oreo in this bowl and the white stuff in this bowl.
After you separate all your Oreos, crush them in a bowl.
This is fun.
It looks crazy.
It does?
Yeah. We put our crushed Oreos in the bag. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of milk to the Oreo. All right, here's the first one. Can we do it without spilling it? That's 1, 2, and 3. That's good. All right, now we're gonna close it and mix it. Make sure it's really nice, or else it's not gonna go well. I think that's good. After you mix the dough, get as much air as you can out of the bag and flatten it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of milk to the cream, the white stuff. Okay, it's not coming. There it is, all right. And then mix it with the spoon. It looks good. We put the dough in the freezer for 2 minutes to help it harden a little bit so it's easier to put our icing on. Now we will cut the bag down the middle.
Cut.
It's a little bit hard here, but
Cut.
try this. I see holes. Okay, there we got the hard part. And here we have this now.
Cut it.
Ah!
Cut.
It's going. Okay, now we need to cut. Ah! It's stuck.
Now we're going to very
carefully put on the icing.
or the white stuff.
The white stuff. All right, let's put it on. This is a little hard because the cookie dough kind of thing is still a little bit
Watery.
milky, you should say.
Milky.
Once you have spread all your white stuff on the cookie dough, you will roll it up like sushi using the bag.
So
roll it up.
Smash it.
Okay. No, this needs smash it, right? Smash it. Then take it off. Then roll this. Smash it. Then take it down.
Pull that.
Okay. And then one more time. All right. Then we will put this in the refrigerator. Our Oreo sushi is done. It didn't turn out quite as expected, but it still looks yummy. We're gonna taste now. Rate it out of 10.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
9.5.
It's really good. We like to cook. During this recipe, after you separate it, what?
Oh. Yes,
Oh, it's gonna be a little difficult. Ooh. Alright.
It's a little bit hard.
It might not look as good as it tastes, but it's gonna taste awesome. Alright. Roll. Ooh. Okay. Keep on rolling. Roll. Okay.